Hi, is this Charles?
Yeah.
Hi, Charles. This is Officer Ellis, Lakeville Police Department.
Yeah.
What's going on today?
Well, I've been rather concerned. Me and we've been friends since we were teenagers.
Okay.
My name is Jaime Ellis. I am a patrol officer with the Lakeville Police Department. I have been with the Lakeville Police Department for approximately 5 years now. I started as a community service officer, and then after about a year of being a CSO, I became a patrol officer for the department, and I'm almost at my 4-year mark with that. Sorry to bother you. I'm just stopping out. Your friend Charles contacted us, and he said that he was just worried about your welfare since he hasn't heard from you for a while.
I don't have my phone.
Okay.
My phone is kaput. So,
Okay.
Yeah, and I have no way to contact them.
I got into law enforcement because it's a great way to obviously help people, especially people who are in need of more support or additional resources, whether that's like domestic violence resources, housing resources, you know, that kind of thing.
He put his hands on me.
Okay.
You can call the cops. You're dead.
Okay.
His name is. He's at the
Okay.
bar.
We're not gonna go in and talk to him yet, okay?
No, they told me to leave. He's in there.
Are you?
He put his hands on me. I
Okay.
bruises on my face.
Okay. How did he grab you on your neck?
Like this.
Don't do it on me.
Like this. He
Okay.
grabs him like this, dude.
Okay.
Like all the time. And if you don't believe me, I'll put it on Facebook
I'm
Live.
not. I'm not saying that I don't believe you. I believe
You
you.
have the news channel here now.
You can record if you would like to.
Okay. Hey guys, just want to let you know the cops are here. They're looking for.
Do you know what his birthday is?
Don't know what it is.
Okay. She's obviously intoxicated, meaning she smells of an odor of alcohol. Her eyes are bloodshot and watery. She's kind of unable to stay on topic, basically. She said that her boyfriend was at the bar and he choked her. We go in and we talk to staff, and staff says no, he didn't assault her. She assaulted him. On video, we have her basically right hooking him in the face while he's sitting at the bar. And we'll end up arresting her for assault. Lakeville is a very safe community overall. Generally speaking, the community is highly supportive of law enforcement. The city council is very supportive of law enforcement. And our crime to population ratio is pretty low, which is positive. I would say my primary goal is to just kind of leave someone with a positive as it can be, experience with police. And part of the way that is done is treating whoever you come in contact with respect, whether or not you're telling someone something that they want to hear, something that's overall positive or negative for them, whether they're like a victim or a suspect or just someone who is involved. At the end of the day, I want to go home knowing that I was honest with that person. I treated them with the respect that all humans deserve.